I thought we'd rev one of these up for anybody who's not interested in all of the nuance and detail that we went over in the much longer video. And so this is the same process we did in the first video, except here you've missed out on the pouring, which is not very exciting, and you've missed out on the mixing. And here he is spreading it with a spreader that is a miniature version of something you would use to spread mortar, like with tile. This process takes a long time. You've got to get your coverage right. And here he's looking to see if there's anything he's missed. Decide to go back over it again a little bit. Here comes the torch. This is another really pretty puzzle. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to be, but it looks very otherworldly to me. Whoops. And there you have it. They're finished.